This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Debra Degelormo. Cute 2-bed/1-bath duplex has been freshly painted and new laminate flooring installed. Less than a mile to downtown with all the shopping and entertainment as well as close to commuter roads. You can enjoy the music and dining at Jeremiah's/McGregors or walk to Mount Dora High School. For more information, review the details below or contact Debra Degelormo at 386-479-6407.